Have a nice day, everyone. My name is Tony A. Abay, and I am here to teach you a sound little uncommonly English word. If you see, that word is pronounced as benign. Yes, benign. B-E-N-I-G-N. Benign. Once again, benign. So what is benign? Benign is a gentleness disposition or showing a kindness and gentleness. For example, I am happy to hear the Tomer was benign. Another example, when she going to smile at me, I always wanted to thank her. The action was so inclusively benign. Okay, that's all for today. Goodbye. Benign. Benign. Once again, benign.